Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails for another update video on how my fantails doves are getting on. So basically, it's going to be a very short video of this because it is freezing out. I still can't feel my fingers now. Not a lot to report. I've put a fish bowl over for them to bath in, which is good. And they're all going in. I don't know why, because it's absolutely freezing out here. My fingers are literally in pain holding the camera, and I've got gloves on as well. So yeah. Yeah, not a lot to report. They're not nesting at the moment because I think of the weather, it being so cold. So I'm going to end the video here, guys, because my fingers are in pain now. It's so cold. Look out for another update video coming soon. If you've got any questions about your birds or my birds, please leave them in the comment section below. Tell me what the best sounds for them. And thank you to my new and old subscribers. And yeah, I know it's been a boring video. It's too cold to make a long video. So I'll see you guys in the next update video coming soon.